Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Ocean and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button and keep holding it until you see the Suunto logo on the screen. And after you see the Suunto logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, you may see this on the screen, the select language message. If you see it, swipe left on the screen, it will open the list of languages, find the language you would like to use, select it, and then swipe left on the screen to continue. And then you will need to set up a profile, I believe. So let's scroll down, tap on OK, and we need to select the profile. So you have a gender, birth of year, or rather year of birth, my bad. And so you can of course swipe up and down to select it. Then the preferred unit system, metric or imperial. Then we have the time format, then the weight, finally height. And once you're done with the profile, you will see this message, connect with Suunto app, and basically tells you what to do. And what we need to do is to download and install the Suunto application on the phone we want to pair our watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your phone. Then open the Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and type in Suunto. Then tap on search. And you should see this application on the list, Suunto by Suunto. Then tap on install button. Okay, and once the application is done installing, tap on open. And after you open the application, you may see this pop-up. This is basically letting you know that you can use the Google account you are logged in on your phone to create account or log in into if you have already created account with that email. And you can select it and it will redirect you here. But besides the email, you can also use the Facebook account if you like to. I'm gonna use the email one, so I'm gonna tap on continue with email, select my email, and it will let me to enter the password. But if you don't have any account associated with email you enter, you will be able to create a new account. That's how it works, I believe. Alright, okay, so I'm gonna enter the password to my account. Tap on login. It will tell us to go welcome back. And now we need to allow some permissions if you want to connect our watch with a phone. So tap on allow location, tap on while using the app, tap on allow nearby devices, and tap on allow. Here we can subscribe to the newsletter. I'm just gonna tap on skip. And at this point you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon on the top of the app. Oh, never mind, we didn't have to do it. It automatically enter the pairing menu, but if it didn't, you can always tap on the device icon, device icon at the top. It will bring you to the same menu here, and the app will start searching for the nearby devices. And as you can see, it detected our watch, so we can tap on pair. Oh, never mind, this is the Suunto Race, not Suunto Ocean. So let's wake up the screen on our Ocean and let's re-enter this page and see if it's gonna help. Okay, it helped. So now it detected our Suunto Ocean. Tap on pair. Tap on pair on the phone. Enter the code from the watch. Then tap on pair again. And here we have a tutorial on our watch. I'm just gonna close it, but you can go through it and learn how to use your watch and other stuff about it. Okay, I'm just gonna tap on X. If you see this pop-up, tap on allow. And here we have the notification access. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. So if you want to, tap on allow. If you don't care, you can deny it and keep it denied. Next we have the notifications permissions again. If you want to use them or receive them, allow or deny if you don't care. And if you tap on allow, it will redirect you here. And this page basically is the device and that notifications. And what you need to do is to find the Suunto app and tap on it and allow the notification access. It is allowed already, so I don't know why it directed us here, but let's go back, tap on done, and you should see Suunto Ocean on the page of the app. and if you wake up the screen on your watch, it will say connected. And basically that means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.